It is clear to we the love that she performed daily in a foreign from the homeland. We feel her vibe and it's so alive. Even though Babylon tried to conquer I by taking us away from the homeland down to Saddam and Gomorrah in a the quicksand. Many tricks and propaganda make you wonder, take risks to find out what is really